Today, let's take a look at one key process in PCB manufacturing: solder mask approaches. In traditional process, solder mask immersion typically rely on exposure film. However, as PCB design becomes more intricate and components more densely packed, the alignment, accuracy, and resolution of field, the base method are becoming bottleneck. The emergence of direct emergence for solder masks have been a game changer, like giving this process a pair of laser eyes. It skims the emergence directly onto the board surface and eliminating the need for fill, greatly improving emergence precision and stability. Our DI system handles a wide variety of panel size. That means whether you are working with compact high-speed model board or large compact multi-layer PCB, our equipment can meet your requirements. Even on large panels, this high-precision machine delivers an emergence speed of 5.5 cycles per minute, while maintaining excellent stability at explode dome under 500 mJ per square centimeter.
The solder mask, DI, is just a microcosm of Shenzhen's SprintPCB high-precision manufacturing. In the production scenarios of multi-layer boards, HDI PCB and high-frequency boards, etc., we continue to introduce advanced equipment and processes, cooperate with a complete quality system and experienced engineering team to provide customers with truly stable, fast and professional, small and medium volume PCB manufacturing services.
That is today's solder mask episode. Thank you for watching. Please follow us and see you next time.